Okay, so this question is going to be talking about even and odd numbers. So for this question, you're going to have to just mark, is the number even or is it odd? A lot of you guys are like, why is she putting this on a quiz? Well, you'd be surprised how many people don't know. Anyway, so just as a review, odd numbers and even numbers you don't have anything besides that. You have odd or even numbers. Well, you have other classification of numbers, but that's a whole nother conversation. But you can tell if a number is odd or even by the number that it ends with. Okay. Um, so if it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if it's one of those numbers, it's just what number is it. But if it's a multi-digit number, you can tell if it is even or odd by the number it ends with. Okay. So if it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, it is odd. It is even if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, not really going to get into that. There's really nothing else to say besides that, but let's just hop into this because some people get confused and surprises me too. Anyway, so I'm going to look at the ending number. So, right here I have a 2. Okay, I'm going to go look to my list real quick. I have a 2. So, I know that this number is even. And another way to think about even, any number that can be divided by 2 is even. If you can't divide it by 2 evenly, it's odd. Just out there too. So, same thing with the next number. We're going to look at the ending number. Oops, not that. I'm going to get it together today, guys. I promise. 8. So, 8 is over here. That is also an even number. Okay. So with this one, I have a 3-digit number. Again, I'm looking at the very last number in the sequence, which is a 9. I'm going to look to my list. I have 9 over here. So I'm going to put this as, not that one, as odd. Okay. Now, 50. I know that ends in a 0. My 0 is in the even list. So I'm going to put that there. And then my last number is 6. And that is in my even list. And that number is right there. So please remember, if you're doing this, it's not the first, let me just put this one up here. Some people get confused and they're like, oh, it starts in an 8, so it's even. No, it's a number that it ends with. Okay, so it doesn't matter how long the number is, how short the number is, whatever is in that ones place, that is the number that you're going with, determine if it is even or odd. So that's all you really need to know. If you have any more questions, let me know.